Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 15 and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your contacts application, like this one right here. Then we're gonna navigate to Organize, Manage SIM. This will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and you most likely see a drop-down menu somewhere like right over here, which will allow you to select if you want to import your contacts to, for instance, your Google account, the device, or some other accounts. I don't have any account signed in, so it only will be importing to the device and therefore just removes that option as I cannot choose anything else. So you can also deselect contacts from here that you don't want. Next, click on import. This will import all selected contacts, which you can now find in your list right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.